variety in cell number, shape and size. In this module, you will learn that organisms show variety in cell number, shape and size. There are millions of living organisms found on Earth. However, all living organisms are different from each other in many aspects. For example, they are different in their shapes and sizes. Not only do the organisms vary in shape and size, the cells of different organisms too vary in terms of number, shape and size. For this, let us compare an amoeba and a human being. You can see that an amoeba is made of a single cell. A human being, on the other hand, is made of millions of cells. Organisms like amoeba that are made of only one cell are called unicellular organisms. A unicellular organism performs all the important life processes using only one cell. Some other examples of unicellular organisms include Paramecium and Euglena. On the other hand, organisms such as human beings that are made of more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. A multicellular organism has specialized organ systems to perform the different life processes. Some other examples of multicellular organisms include dog and cat. The cells in different organisms not only differ in their numbers, but also differ in their shapes. The different cells of one organism have different shapes. The shape of any cell is provided by its cell membrane. Cells may be round in shape, for example, fat cells. They can also be spherical in shape, for example, the red blood cells. There are some cells that are long and pointed at both ends, for example, the muscle cells. Sometimes the cells are quite long, for example, the nerve cells. Not only the shape, the size of the cells also varies. Sometimes the cell is very tiny. Such cells are of the size of a few micrometers. Some cells, on the other hand, are large in size. These cells are of the size of a few centimeters. However, the size of the cell has no relation with the organism in which it is present. A large organism, such as an elephant, has very small cells too. Let's recap. The cells of organisms vary in number, shape and size. The organisms that have only one cell are called unicellular organisms. The organisms that are made of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Cells are found in different shapes. These include round and spherical, long and pointed. The size of cells varies from a few micrometers to a few centimeters.